Hi folks, this is Atlanta Homes Sold. I'm Ronnie J Cole II, your realtor, and we're viewing our Redland Townhome today. It's a 3-bed, 2.5 bath property with 1,745 square feet of space. We're actually moving into the dining room / kitchen area. This particular townhome I like because even though it's an open concept, the pillars seem like they provide a little bit of separation between the kitchen and the dining room area. This particular area is the walk-in pantry, which is a great size. You can store a lot of good food in there. With this particular townhome community, the price point on it is $250,000. It does have an HOA, which is $150 monthly. This is the half bath, which is located on the main level. And this is also the large walk-in closet, which is on the main level as well. I love the amount of space that they have for storage here. Again, now with this particular townhome community, the HOA, like I said, is $150. That includes exterior maintenance, front and rear lawn maintenance, termite bond, landscaping, streetscape, sidewalks, all that good stuff. So we're going upstairs to our second floor. And to our left, we have a hall closet. Store linens, all kinds of things in here, decent size. This particular area is the master bedroom. Straight ahead is a sitting room. I kind of do a pan so you can see the entire room and get the size and the gist of it. As we move into the master bath, to the left, there's the water closet, and then also the master bedroom closet. Pretty decent size. You can walk in, have enough room to turn around and all that good stuff. I love this bathroom. It's really nice. Has some really great features and upgrades. Mowing faucets, decorative mirrors. It's a 5-foot garden tub, glass door enclosed shower, etc. So we're moving into the loft space for this particular townhome. Now, not all of the townhomes in this community have like the loft space set up, but this one does. So we're going into bedroom number 2, which they have staged, as a baby's room, but could work for just a normal size bedroom. Bedrooms 2 and 3 are actually the same size, and we're moving into bedroom number 3 right now. So you get the idea with it set up with a queen size bed in the room and cabinets. And I just wanted to give you guys a peek of the outside where you see that it does have a privacy fence that was put up. And this is just the closet space for storage on this particular level. So we'll go into the hall bath. Hi guys, that's me. And you just see maybe the standard fixtures for the bathroom. It's very nice. Done well. I like Rockland Homes because they do a really good job on their new construction properties. This here is the walk-in laundry room. So you actually can walk in. It's not just like a small closet where you open doors and then there it is. You can walk in, store your laundry, and you can shut the door. So pretty much this is the Redland property. Again, we're in the Stonecrest community. This was a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1,745 square foot property at the $250,000 price point. Contact me today if you'd like to know more about this property, and I look forward to seeing you guys soon.